Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So let's be honest, you don't have time to read every article in your feed. Between industry news, competitor updates, research papers, and general reading, the volume is overwhelming. But here's the thing, you don't need to read everything. You just need to know what's actually important. You need to scan, filter, and identify the articles worth your time. That's where Feedly's AI summaries come in. According to Feedly's documentation, AI can analyze articles and produce summaries, offer views, and analyses that help you quickly understand key information. Instead of reading a 3 keyword article, you can read a 100 word summary and decide if it's worth your attention. But here is what most people don't realize. Feedly has multiple types of AI summaries, so each designed for different use cases. There are one-click article summaries, multi-article one, so it depends on the situation. Let's go and talk about the simplest way to use AI summaries is the one-click option. According to Feedly's documentation, again, you can generate a quick summary of any article or maybe a group of ones. So, but make sure you are actually upgraded, since as you see here, there is this chatbot or this bot here. Save time with Feedly AI and Pro Plus. Share and shine with Feedly Pro. It doesn't include AI as you see. So even the free and pro version won't be able to benefit from the AI or the Feedly AI. So just keep this in mind in case you don't see the option. That's actually why. So that's the whole idea for today. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.